When you're not strapping something onto your back, a sling pack is the proper snack. Now we're looking at the Aer Day Sling 3 Max sling pack for packing and carry. And I used this one on a recent international trip, but was it too big or just right?
Pack-a-quando, pack-a-mondo.
We have the Aer Day Sling 3 Max. And I recently took this on an international trip. So let's get into it and see what I carried on this trip. Well, if we go to the front, I have just a little pouch, and this little pouch has essentially quick access things. This is what I will take out of my bag and put it in the pocket in front of me on the airline. Just has all the quick access things I need. We go to the main compartment, which is here in the interior. So I have some wireless headphones here. I do carry an umbrella, either for sun or rain. A water bottle as well. I'll just kind of set that right there. And some sunglasses if I need to. That's all I was able to get into this main area. I mean, I could stuff it, but these are fairly large items, right? In the back is where I'll usually keep my passport. So these are the things that I carried with me. Due to its size, being this is the Max, this really is kind of a travel one. I mean, this is something you would take with you going into the city. It's something you take for your day outings. It is fairly large in what it provides. And this color is heather gray. This is the larger version of the Day Sling 3. This is the Max and is a newer release from Aer. There's also an XPAC version that all Aer products have. And the XPAC is a 4-layer laminate that's waterproof, that looks and feels like sailcloth, and it only comes in black. Now I've been using sling packs for 6 years or so, and I really like them, but only for specific purposes, which I'll kind of mention as we go along. With 6 liters of capacity, it's larger than the Day Sling 3, I think I mentioned it. It's targeted for travel or as a smaller compact work sling, or you'd be carrying more things than you would less on a daily basis than if you were out with a backpack. So let's start with the exterior. I really like how this is gusseted. We have kind of a bottom here. This is what allows you to stand up, sit upright, and it makes access to the contents much easier once you get in from the top. And it really allows you to utilize the full 6-liter capacity of this particular bag. So let's look at the front here. It has a protected zipper pocket right here. So this is the outward facing. You would carry this close to your body. This would be facing your body. So if we come here to the back, we have this protected zipper pocket. It is flat for valuables, things you want to keep close to your body as you're carrying, and passport, phone, etc. The key strap with metal hardware, which is more durable, I like, which is easy to use, has this rubber pole right here, which I quite like. And then we have got the shoulder strap. The shoulder strap is easily adjustable. And what I really like is Aer's Fidlock magnetic system. So you can tell that this just does not come undone unless you move it to the side. You move to the side to come undone, but when it's attached, and I never had this accidentally come undone, but when I needed to change it, it was just simple. This is really, really convenient, so I don't have to pull this thing over my head every single time I want to take off my sling. You also see that we've got angles. So we have angle directions of the strap. This makes this easy for carry. And having the lock very close to the bag makes this nice. So whatever position you have it carrying in, whether it's loose or snug, you have easy access to it. Now let's move to the front. We've got this pocket right here and this zip. This is a YKK Aqua Guard number 10 zipper. You can tell that it's a waterproof zipper environment. I don't know why, we'll talk about it, but this is a number 10 Aqua Guard. It's only on the front, this front piece right here. We don't have that Aqua Guard anywhere else, and that's one of the reasons why we have these 2 loops. It's very nice to be able to hold this loop while you're pulling this zipper closed, and one of the reasons why is this is not an easy zipper to open and close. Waterproof zippers are just not, and so being able to have something where you can hold on both sides to open and close the zipper is really quite nice. Now let's move to the main zipper pouch. We have a YKK number 8. These are number 8 zippers right here. Easy open on both sides, so you can have it be the center and you open this way, or you can have it completely over on the side, which a lot of people do just for security. But overall presents a very odd choice between the number 8 zipper Aqua Guard and the number 10. I'm not sure why a side pocket would have a waterproof zipper, but the top does not. The only thing I can think of is that they want to have one compartment that is waterproof, and that's where you'd put your most critical items. But I would think that that would be this one right here. This is where I'd have my travel documents, my phone, those things I'd keep close to my body, and that's where I'd want to have that zippered protection for waterproofness. We can also note that we have a loop hanger here, so if you are taking it off, you're at a restaurant, you can hang it on something right next to you. You go into your house, hang it. This is just a nice little convenience like that. And it has an alternate carry method. You have a handle right here. So this makes just grabbing it very convenient. I like how it's offset to the back. It's not on the top. That just makes it very easy to use. And this is also a common element with the new Flight Pack 3 series handles that they have. So let's move to the interior now. Let's open this up and get a closer look. Now in the middle right here, you've got kind of a dumpo-rama environment, meaning you can just place whatever you want right here in the main category. Place all your larger items right here. This is where you put your jacket, umbrellas. You saw I had my water bottle, umbrella, so forth. Then we have 4 elastic pockets. We have 2 on this side right here, and 2 opposite on this side. Cords, chargers, earbuds, etc. Larger than normal, and they don't bungee at the top, but it does have enough of a closure here, and there is enough give that if you toss items into here, hopefully they don't fall out as part of an everyday course of business. But if you're always doing this and it's upright, you should be fine. Then we have one zipper pouch right here. This zipper pouch is really quite convenient. It's very large and goes the full length of the bag. I really like that we have something this large to be able to put smaller items. There always has to be, in my mind, a smaller zip area, a zip pouch area where you can put smaller items to keep them compact. And this way they don't just fall around. And then right here, you've got a larger pocket. This is suitable up to an 11-inch tablet, an iPad or whatever you might want to carry there. So overall, it's really larger than just a normal sling. But if you carry more items, and there's nothing wrong with carrying more items, this really hits the mark. Measures 12 by 9 by 3.5 inches empty, and it weighs 1 pound. When I'm not traveling and depending on what I'm wearing, I'll use a sling pack. If I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, then that means I have too much stuff for my pockets. And I know it's why do you have too much stuff for your pockets? Well, anyway, I do. And when that becomes uncomfortable, then I'll put a small sling on my back, and that way I can carry all that and don't have to have it dragging me down in my pockets. But when I travel for pleasure, I'll take one like we're seeing today, and it depends on the size. And so what would you put in yours? Designed in the United States and made in China. This is made from a 1680D Cordura, which really is super strong, very durable, can take a lot of abuse. It's bulkier, but I prefer it. And as mentioned, the use of high quality YKK zippers and reinforcement in all the areas that you would expect this, really, and the right stress points ensures that this will last you for a lot of years. Reasonably priced at $95, I don't think you can get something as large, as well made, for that price point. I wish these mesh pockets had some kind of elastic closure, a little bit more on both sides here to keep items from getting out. The pen loop, there's a pen loop right here as part of this Aer logo, so if you want to put something in there, you can. It's a nice touch. But having a pass-through loop between the pockets would have been nice. So having my phone here have a pass loop up in here, so I could pass a charger to it, or a battery on the inside. That's very common in a lot of other slings. Now, when I'm around town, I'll opt for a smaller sling pack. When I do travel, I do like larger capacity models, so I can stuff as much or as little as I want into it, as well as picking up little Omiyagi's, what is that? Souvenirs, that's the word I'm looking for. I remember it in Japanese first. So needless to say, when I took this on my trip, it fulfilled all my needs. It was perfect and was very easy to use. The flexibility it provides for travel makes this perfect for me, but as an around the town sling, it's actually a bit too big for me. So now on to the final score. For quality of 5, price of 3, features of 3, usability of 4, perception of 4. Excellent little sling pouch. That gives us a final score of 40 out of 50. If you like this video, then watch this one next. Keep watching as we begin introducing tech pouches and other carryables. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.